Good morning, children. Welcome back to the EVS class. In last class, we were dealing with the. Good morning. Yes, very good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Very good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, very good morning. See here, all of you, beautiful. From last two class, we are learning this lesson more about plants. Yes or no? In this lesson, you have already understood about the trees, herb, shrubs, and creepers, climbers, and all, right? And yesterday, I have explained how about the parts of the plant. And today in this class, once again, I will explain the other parts of the plant. So before that, I will draw a picture of plant. See here, everyone. What it is? What it is? Roots. Yes? Stop. Stop. It is enough if anyone says. No need to repeat whole class. What it is? Flower. Yes. It is flower. Okay, stop. 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 अगर कोई एक बोलता है फ्लावर तो आप लोगों को सुनाई देता है ना? You can hear no it is flower. Is it necessary to repeat everyone? This is leaves. Fruit. What it is? Plant. It is a plant. See, plant is ready. And here, the first thing which we can see in the plant is, as I said yesterday, what it is? Leaves. And what it does? What is the work of leaves? Why it is important in the plant? Use made food. Yes, leaves prepares food for the plant. How it prepares food for the plant? Children, how it prepares food? Huh? Sunlight. Yes. It prepares food by using sunlight and water. Water from where? Which water? Rainwater. Rainwater. Not direct rainwater. It uses mute. This root supplies water to this entire plant and leaves prepares food by using sunlight and water from the root. And this process where this leaves prepares food for this whole plant. This we have a name for this process as we cook. Yeah, we prepare food where we prepare food in kitchen. Yes, and that entire process where we prepare food is called cooking. Yes or no? We prepare food for our family members, and that process that preparing food is called cooking. And even this plant, this leaves also prepares food for this plant, and that process is called photosynthesis. ये आपको higher class में आएगा. About this photosynthesis, you will study in higher classes. Only for your knowledge sake, I am using this word. In textbook, this word is not given. Understood? And don't worry, I will not use this word anywhere in second standard, like in question paper and all. You don't worry, just for your knowledge sake, I am telling this word because you also should know this what this process is called. This process is called photosynthesis, where this leaves prepares food for the plant. Okay, by using sunlight, water, and other elements. Understood? Yes, ma'am. Tell me, this process is called what? Where leaves prepares food for the plant. This process is called photo. Photo, you know photo? Yes, ma'am. Photosynthesis. सिर्फ आपको याद रखना है. Yes, हमें पता है कि leaves prepares food for the plant and that process is called photosynthesis. आपको सिर्फ याद रखने के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. Okay. Here, leaves prepares food for the plant by using sunlight, water, and other useful substances. And next is stem. What it is? Stem. Not tem, it is stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. What it is? Stem. The stem bears leaves, flowers and fruits. It carries water, food and other useful substances to different parts of the plant. This stem is also very important for the plant. If the stem is strong, then only the plant can grow upright. Yes or no? If the stem is strong, then only the plant can grow upright. These are called stem. See here, if the stem is strong, then only this plant can grow upright. It can stand like this. If the stem is weak, it may bend like this and it may need some support to grow. So this stem is very important. How in our body we need this backbone to be very strong. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. If my backbone is not strong, then I will walk like this. Yes? Yes, ma'am. Yes. That's why how our backbone we need. It should be very strong to maintain a proper posture. It gives a proper posture to our body. Which part? This backbone. a proper posture to our body, the same way this stem is very very important for this plant. If the stem is strong, then only the plant can grow upright. Okay. And tell me, what is the work of this stem? What it does? It supplies food and water to the entire plant. Through the root, it supplies all the water and food for the plant. This is the work of this stem. And stem bears leaves, flowers, fruits. स्टेम से जो ब्रांचेस जाते हैं उससे उसमें लीव्स होते हैं, फ्लावर्स होते हैं, फ्रूट्स होते हैं. Yes or no? That's all because of this strong stem. So this is the work of the stem. What it does, stem? It supplies water and food to the plant. It bears leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay? Yes, ma'am. And next part is very very important is what it is? Root. Root. If the root is not there, think, if the root is not there, then what happens? If the root is not there, think what happens? It's not grow. Yeah, plant will not grow. This plant will not survive. It may die. It may die. Because of these roots only, the plant survives. Yes or no? ये root जब हम जमीन के अंदर डालते हैं and the root gets all the nutrition, all the other substances which is available in the soil. It gets and it supplies through this root to the plant and it helps to the plant to grow. If root is not there, then the plant may die. Roots fix the plants firmly to the ground and these roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. See here, I have one pot. And here you can see the soil, right? Is it, yes, is it visible? See? Yes, ma'am. I put some soil here. And see here, I'll show you. This root is, see the root of this plant. What it is? Root. Yes. Roots. And roots fix the plants firmly to the ground. And this root fix the plant firmly to the ground. मिट्टी के अंदर ये अच्छे से बैठ के प्लांट को एक सपोर्ट देता है. It gives support to the plant. How? This root, when we fix it, when we plant it in the ground, this root, what happens here? It fixes the plant firmly to the ground. See, you can see the soil over here. Right? Yes, ma'am. They absorb water and other useful substances needed by the plant from the ground. And what it does? It absorbs all the water and other useful substances from the soil. मिट्टी में जो भी useful substances है और water है उसे वो absorb करता है. Absorb करके क्या करता है वो? It absorbs all the useful substances and water from the soil and it supplies to the plant. These are the work of this root. If root is not there, then who will supply all the other substances and water to the plant? When root is not there, which part of the plant? Yes, but without root, how it is possible? Without root, it is not possible. That's why root is very, very important for the plant. And yes, there are some other plant which not necessary that the root should be there. ओनली स्टेम कट करके भी हम मिट्टी में डालें तो भी वो प्लांट हो सकता है. देयर आर सम प्लांट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल यू टेक रोज प्लांट, we can cut the stem and we can plant it again. Yes, it will not require that a root should be there. It can grow without the root also. Stem is enough to plant. Okay, there are some plants उसको रूट रहना जरूरी नहीं है, स्टेम से भी वो और एक प्लांट हो सकता है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज फ्रूट. व्हाट इट इज? फ्रूट. यस, अ फ्रूट कंटेन्स सीड. अ फ्रूट कंटेन्स, सभी फ्रूट्स के अंदर हमें कुछ तो देखने के लिए मिलता है. व्हाट इज दैट? We find something inside the fruit. What is that? Seeds. Yes. A fruit contains seeds. A seed can grow into a new plant when it gets the right amount of water, air, and warmth. See, a fruit can grow into a other plant when it gets a proper water, sunlight, and the air and the warmth. जो झाड़ में एक फ्रूट होता है, उस फ्रूट के सीड से भी हम और एक नया प्लांट हम कर सकते हैं. Yes or no? We can plant the seed. A seed can grow into a new plant, that you all know. A seed can grow into a new plant. We can save or store these seeds to make a new plant. It helps to make a new plant when it gets a proper water, warmth, air, and other important substances. Beautiful. Gadasma, mute. Yes, nice hairstyle. Your hairstyle is nice. Beautiful. A fruit contains seeds. A seed can grow into a new plant when it gets a right amount of water, warmth, air, and other useful substances. And next, I will move here. What it is? Flower. Flower produce fruits. The before step of this fruit is flower. Flower produce fruit. Have you seen this process where flowers produce fruit? Have you seen mango tree? Yes. Fruit होने से पहले फ्रूट होने से पहले मैंगो ट्री में बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स होते हैं, which is white in color. And that flowers produce fruit. After some time, that flower produce fruit. Understood? So these are the important parts of the plant. I may give this in exam that draw a picture of plant and label the important parts of the plant. You have to draw this picture and you have to label the important parts of the plant. That is leaves, stem, root, fruit, and flower. Birds. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And next, till here we have learned many things about plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper, climber, parts of the plant, and next, uses of plants. Why we need plants? What is the use of the plant? Anyone? Why we need plant? How we gives us oxygen. See how we can breathe because of the plant which produce oxygen. Yes, and also it gives us fruits and other. Yes, plants are the main source of food because most of them are vegetarians. They need plants as their food source. And now, uses of plants. We eat different parts of plants. We use different parts of plants. Which are those? Stem. We eat stem. You know which is stem?
Potato and
Yes. Example for that is potato and sugar cane. Potato and sugar cane. And also we eat mute your phone. Also we eat roots of the plant. Also we eat roots of the plant. Roots जहाँ मैंने ड्रॉ किया था ना यहाँ नीचे जो ग्राउंड के अंदर प्लेस होता है that is called roots. Example for roots is which we eat.
radish and turkey.
Yes.
Radish and
These are the example for roots. Also we eat flowers of plants. Which are those?
cauliflower.
Yes, cauliflower and broccoli. Cauliflower and broccoli. These are the flowers of the plants. We also eat leaves of the plants. Cabbage and
Lettuce.
lettuce. Also spinach and tomato. We also eat seeds of the plant. Corn and
Peanut.
yes,
Peanut.
these are the seeds of the plant. And next is fruit.
Mango.
There are so many fruit we eat. And vegetables, potato, radish, cabbage. So these are the things which we eat. We eat. Mute. Mute. We eat different parts of plant. We eat different parts of plant. We eat stem, we eat flower, we eat leaves, roots, seeds. Everything is useful. Yes or no in a plant. So if I tell that we eat the stem of that plant, so which stem we eat? Potato, sugar cane. That are the stem. Those are the stem which we eat. Roots. The roots of the plant. Radish, turnip. Flower. Flowers of the plant. Cauliflower. Have you seen cauliflower? And broccolis are the flowers of the plant. That also we eat. Leaves. Leaves of the plant. Cabbage, lettuce, spinach, fenugreek. There are so many green leaves that we eat. Seeds, corn, peanut. that also we eat. Fruits, there are so many fruits. I have written only two here: mango, orange, grapes, watermelon. There are so many fruits that we eat. And also we eat vegetables like potato, cabbage, beetroot, bagan. There are so brinjal. There are so many vegetables that we eat. We need everything to eat, and also we don't want to say trees. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We should not do that. We also say trees. We also need to say trees. So these are the uses of plants, children. Why we need plant? Because plants are the main source of potato, radish and cabbage. Yes. See, plants are the main source of food for us. So we need plant. Parth, why you late to the class? Now we join. Parth. So not only this much, children, there are some other uses of plant. That is, in next page you can see page number 45. These are the vegetables, leaves, stem which we eat from the plant. The next part is things that we get from plants. There are some other things also there which we get from the plant. Which are those? Have you seen spices? Cardamom, इलायची, इलायची पता है आपको? Which we put in sweet dish, which we put in sweet dish. See, this is called elaichi, cloves, black pepper. These are called spices. Yes, we get this also from the plants. There are many things that we get from plants and parts of plants. Not only this, there are some other things also we get from plants which we eat. We get tea and coffee and sugar from plants. You know this? We eat tea every morning. Sorry, we drink tea every morning. We drink coffee and we eat sugar. From where we get all these things? From?
Sugar.
Yes, from sugarcane. From sugarcane we get sugar. Tea plant, coffee plant. See, we are totally dependent on the plants. Everything we are getting from the plants. Dried parts of some plants that are used to give special flavor to food are called spices. These are the dry parts of the plants: cloves, cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon stick. These are called spices which gives extra flavor to our food. We use all these spices when we prepare biryanis and all. We put all these spices to get extra flavor in our food. These are called spices, and these items are called spices. Cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and black pepper are used as spices. See, you go to kitchen with your mother and tell your mother to show the some food items which comes from plant. Each and everything you will find that all those things come from plant. We are totally dependent on the plant. We get oil from seeds of plant like mustard and sunflower. See, oil which we use to cook food, that also we get from plants. The mustard plant, the mustard seeds and the sunflower. Have you seen sunflower flower? Sunflower. सनफ्लावर एक ऐसा फ्लावर है जिससे हम तेल निकालते हैं, ऑयल। एंड मस्टर्ड, मस्टर्ड सीड से भी हम ऑयल निकालते हैं। वी ऑल्सो गेट ऑयल फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स लाइक ऑलिव एंड कोकोनट। हैव यू सीन कोकोनट? From coconut also we can remove oil which we put on our head, coconut oil and olive oil. Okay, olive and coconut. This plants also gives us oil. We get wood from trees such as teak, mahogany and rosewood. These are the trees which gives us wood to make furnitures. Will not eat this wood. Okay, this teak wood, mahogany and rosewood, it is not for eating purpose. It gives us wood to prepare furniture, to make furnitures. We get fibers from cotton and jute plants. The cloth which we wear also comes from plant. Cotton plant and jute plants are jute plants. Fibers are thread-like parts that can be made into cloth, paper and rope. कॉटन और जूट ऐसा एक फाइबर है जिसे थ्रेड निकाल सकते हैं। थ्रेड मीन्स धागा, उससे धागा निकाल के हम लोग ड्रेस बना के पहनते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन प्रिपेयर पेपर एंड रोप। रोप का मतलब सुतली, देखा है आपने सुतली, विच वी यूज टू टाई समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड रोप। ऑल दिस थिंग्स comes from plant. So next class we will see the other uses of plants. Okay, in this class this much is enough. ज़्यादा पढ़ाया तो आपके सिर के ऊपर से चले जाता है, yes or no? So this much is enough in this class. Remaining thing, once again I will repeat all these things. Along with that material I will get the spices, cloves, cardamom and all. Okay, I will show you which are the spices and all. Is it clear? So now you understood the parts of plant and the uses of plants?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt. You can raise your doubt in next class. Okay? Okay, children.